For today's project, I wanted to show you how I made this cute turkey. You need a white paper doily, red, yellow, orange, and green paint, orange and red cardstock, orange craft foam, brown craft paper, and googly eyes. Cut out the turkey body shape. Glue the googly eyes, a small orange foam triangle for the beak, and the red paper for the snood. Cut out 2 strips of orange paper and create folds in them. Take the paint and place fingerprints all over the doily. Glue on the turkey body and legs, and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.